Welcome back. This is the Collector 6819 coming back at you with part 2 of our break of the next Destinies Black and White Pokemon box, which I purchased from Galaxy Stores in Naperville, Illinois, which you can reach at www.chicagocards.com. Part 1 had a pretty cool pulled Zekrom EX in part 1. If you missed that, check it out. One of the rares, one of the ones I thought was rare, actually was a holographic. This Candle Lure was actually holographic, so I ended up getting 4 holographics in part 1, plus the EX. So let's get going on part 2 here. So here's part 2 stack. So, part 2, pack 1. Put our code card over here. Panpour, Elgum, Litwick, Darmaka, Riolu, Cubchoo. Cubchoo is our reverse foil. And a Vanillix holo foil. It's pretty cool. And once again, I must preface this with the fact that if I might butcher some of these names because I haven't quite learned how to say some of these, so please forgive me if I happen to mispronounce any. So, Pokemon Center, Emolga, and Hippowdon. So here we are on to a second pack for our part 2. We have Ralts, Meowth, Blitzel, Pansage, Shinx, a reverse foil Luxio, pretty cool, a holographic Scrafty, Pokemon Center, Scraggy, and Emolga. So far, based on what I've seen in other videos, I've been getting a pretty good ratio of the holofoils. So, but I'm still looking for a few more of the EXs and stuff, so hopefully we'll get some good ones here. Panpour, Seedot, Riolu, Shinx, Hippopotas, a reverse foil Amoonguss, a rare Pershing, a Vanosh, Cyan, Luxio. Okay, we're going on to pack number 4. A code, and here we go. Luna, that's the first one I've seen of that one. Seedot. Ooh, another Pikachu. Darmaka. Panpour. A reverse Kirlia. A rare Shiftry. A different picture Lapras, a level ball, and an experience share. And we're moving on. There's our code card. Let's put it to the side. We have Litwick, Elgum, Panpour, Seedot. Seeing things there for a second. Cubchoo, a reverse Darmaka, a rare Muck, another trainer, Cyan, Raichu, and a Lampent. card. We have a Staryu, a Seedot, I didn't see anything, Hippotas, sorry, a Mienfoo, a Shinx, a reverse Jigglypuff, wow, a full art Regigigas EX, which I think is pretty cool. Wow, I like the color on these. It's very awesome. We'll get that in the holder just in a second. A Special Energy, double colorless, a Mienfoo, and another Lampent. Okay, we will get our full EX into I'll show that again, the Regigigas EX, which is a full art. And here's our other EX, the Zekrom. Pretty cool so far. Kind of hoping for a Mewtwo, as I said in video 1. Maybe I'll get one. Who knows though? But the ones I've got so far are pretty cool. We got Grimer, Meowth, Blitzel, Fungus, a Vanillite, a Reverse Experience Share, a Rare Reshiram. Yeah, that's just the rare. A Frillish, a Skylar Aerobridge, Hippowdon is our last card for this pack. Okay. So we've got Grimer, Staryu, Litwick, Cubchoo, Growlithe, a Reverse Stitot, a Weavile rare, Heavy Ball, Arcanine, and Frillish. We have 4 more packs in this break. So pack number 9. Code card. Taking that off. Okay, Vanillite is our first one. Kricketot, Ralphs, a Meowth, a Blitzel, a Lampent Reverse, a Semisear Rare, a Manchio, a Scraggy, and a Heavy Ball. Finishes out pack number 9. Pack 10, a Zekrom pack. Okay, code. We have Blitzel, Fungus, Ferroseed, Ralts, Darumaka, that's just the regular. Ooh, a Reverse Moltres, pretty cool. A Holographic Luxray, a Scraggy, Arcanine, and a Trainer Cylon. Okay, pack 11 for break 2. Sorry about that. Our code. Okay, we've got Mienfoo, Sneasel, Bronzor, Growlithe, Ralts, a Reverse Hippowdon, a Rare Zebstrika, Mienshao, Experience Share, and Vanillish. Finish off pack 11. And here we are with the last pack. the black and white next destinies. Sphinx, Muna, Panseer, Ralts, Daramaka, a reverse Pikachu, pretty cool. A Pinsir, rare. A Maga, Sky Arrow Bridge, and a Starmie. Well, so far, in our two breaks, or two parts so far, we've gotten 2 EXs. Pretty cool. So, stay tuned for part 3.